Recently, I saw a video where a gentleman talked about how the number one influence on whether someone was engaging, charismatic, whatever, was their actual internal self-esteem. That the content of their message wasn't that relevant, and that's certainly true. And that in fact, how they present any information, how they say whatever they say. This gentleman asserted that that wasn't particularly relevant either. And in fact, he truly asserted that the only thing that really mattered in grabbing attention, in capturing an audience, in being listened to and respected, was how the individual felt within themselves. And at first, when I saw it, I was dismissive, whatever. But the last week or two, ever since, it's really lingered. And I it's left an impact, left a mark, made an impact. I do think this rings true. And the thing that's really relevant here is that self-esteem can be manufactured. The way that you feel about yourself, you can change, and it does change day by day, moment by moment. You know this. You know that sometimes you look in the mirror and you see someone and you go, well, not bad. And then other times, not so friendly. So self-esteem already, we know that it fluctuates, and that means it's not fixed. So if we take it to be true that self-esteem is a massive influence and determinant of how engaging someone is, and we accept that self-esteem is in a fluid state, then how you feel and how engaging you are is a fluid thing which isn't fixed, which you can control. You have more influence over this than you most likely realize. And I would encourage you to, first of all, maybe just play with that. You know how good it feels when you walk down the street and you put your chin up, chest out, shoulders back, walk tall, walk proud, and get that recognition of just feeling good regardless of who's around. You know how good that feels. You know how much that makes a difference to how you think, how you operate, and how people perceive you. And you can change that like this. And if you do, you will feel different. You will reap rewards. There's more that I could say, but the reason that this is the topic of today's video is that I have just been playing with this. I've been playing with the fluctuations in my own self-esteem, how moment by moment I feel differently about how great I am, and just noticing how the world responds differently to me when I'm perceiving myself as more versus when I perceive myself as less. And truly, the difference is profound. All of the words that I say carry more or less weight, depending on how in each instant, how I feel about me. And I am trusting and presuming that this is a universal thing. I am trusting and presuming that this will hold true for you. And I'm trusting and presuming that the benefits I felt will extend to you. So please play, please enjoy, and please enhance and amplify your life just by feeling better about you. You rock star, superstar, mega babe. Go crush it. You're sensational. See you in the next video.